My name is Zia Sayed, and I'm a CTO at Switch. Switch builds exascale AI factories. The role of data center has totally changed. Think about future where you walk into a factory, but that factory is not making cars or clothing, it's actually creating intelligence. It needs to perform harmoniously with our grid infrastructure, with electrical system, with environmental system. Having all this power data and hydronic data and chemistry data in one platform help us to do better preventive maintenance, help us to do better operational support towards those business critical workloads. So we want a partner who helps us put together all that right set of enterprise grade tooling for access management, automation to data products, lifecycle management, and all of that. And that's the kind of innovation in the products that Starburst offered around the open source Trino engine. We had a drastic impact in how we were able to automate cross-system queries and analysis. A report that would take our team of financial and business analysts about 2 weeks to generate, now they kind of generate instantaneously. The other areas we're applying this is around the power calculations to preventive maintenance for large chillers and electrical or generator sets that we have, doing capacity planning where you do a lot of trade-off analysis in terms of availability of a space to power and cooling at any particular location inside a facility. These becomes very complex and multi-dimensional analysis you have to do. And now when we start to do that on top of a rich platform like Starburst, a lot of these analyses are automated. And we can do these scenario planning quite rapidly compared to doing that manually by a few folks who are domain experts. From a scale perspective, we get to bottleneck around those resources. Starburst is very foundational for our own AI rollout within our own operation. So getting the right set of data is the first piece. That's absolutely where Starburst is. But now when we start to create data products on top of the Starburst platform and then tie that with our RAG or copilots that start to provide natural language access to these factual information, is first set of capabilities that we're rolling out. And then building upon that, we will start to have foundation for training our own language models so that we start to understand and capture that knowledge within the operation of a facility. And overall, the philosophy that the leadership team at Starburst aligns directly with how we see the future of our foundational systems. Plus the capabilities that also the team is rolling out in terms of Copilot support within the Starburst platform and all of that just really accelerate our own deployment of these capabilities in the infrastructure. So yeah, it's amazing to work with Starburst.